Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to mark an appointment booking as completed in Hostinger website builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, go to hpanel.hostinger.com, log into your Hostinger account, and go to websites. Now, next to the online store or the website where you want to install to mark an appointment booking as completed, click on Manage Store. Then this way you will automatically land on the store management area instead of the website builder. Now go to Orders, then open the order that you want to mark as completed. For example, this one. As you see, this is a property viewing appointment. Until now, it is not completed. And to mark it as completed, simply click on this button, Mark as Completed. And you will see this, this window. If you have completed the service, mark it as completed. Click on Mark as Completed again. Item fulfilled. And now this order status is turned to completed. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my online course about Hostinger website builder today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger website builder, how to choose and customize your template, how to master page and navigation design, also design pages and add in content, building specific page types, blogging with Hostinger builder, create an online store, forms in general, emails and the integrations, advanced features and design enhancement, SEO, analytics and tracking tools, backup and cloning maintenance, and also final touches and optimization. To get all of this today for free, plus my other free online courses, which are Google Sites, Google Search Console, Brevo email marketing, Bluehost web hosting, Hostinger web hosting, Hostinger WordPress, and also Hostinger email today for free, simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue this tutorial. Item fulfilled, and now this order status is turned to completed. Now if you go back to the orders, you will see here fulfilled below fulfillment column, and this is how to mark an appointment booking as completed in Hostinger website builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.